Alright, here it is, the unboxing of the Samsung Odyssey G9. Holy cow, this thing is huge. Brings me back to when I reviewed the 49-inch 144Hz monitor that was only 1080. The pixels were just so lazy. This thing is supposed to be the king of all hill with a 1000R curvature, 240 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, HDR 1000 certified. I'm not gonna talk too much about the specs part until my review, so I'm just gonna get to it and start unboxing this. Should I put this away? These new monitors, they have these footprints that are just so wide. Their legs are so spread apart that it takes so much space on your desk. Now, I understand they probably do that because they want to make sure it's balanced with the weight. I'm sure this thing's really hefty, but I just prefer to just mount this sucker on a arm and just have that free space underneath the desk. So if you are somebody who doesn't have a lot of space on your desk, you may want to measure this. This is definitely to put behind the monitor to give you that. Nope, I don't know what this is. This must be for the mount. Cables. And it does come with the power adapter, the USB to the computer so you can control the USB devices, as well as the display port. I believe this is 1.4. Alright, this is to make it glow in the back. There's a little cap for it. This must be for the back of the case. I'm gonna have to take this down. Please don't drop. Definitely feel like I am undressing here. Slow and easy, right? And there it is. You can't see from that angle, but this baby is curved. This is what you call a sexy back. I mean, look at this thing. Let me see if I can give you a good... I mean, look at that curve. That curve is insane. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get this monitor too, is because of how big it is. Secondary is because of the curve. Because when you have a monitor this big, you definitely want to see, you know, in the corners, and the 1000R curvature really helps with that. I mean, look at that. It's like Tony Stark's chest. It's like Tony Stark had a baby with a monitor, and this is the result of it. Let me tell you right now, this thing is heavy. It swivels and it tilts. Obviously, I'm showing the back because the back's prettier. Comes with a headphone stand. This back obviously comes off with cable management. Make sure you guys subscribe because I will have a first impression overview on this monitor in a couple days, as well as a full review here soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and besides that, I will catch you guys in the next video.